Welcome back to Math Zen, everyone. This video is going to cover questions 9 through 10 of the Fast Test Prep for 5th grade series. These questions fall under the number sense and operations umbrella. Let's go ahead and dive in.
Welcome to our Fast Test Prep for 5th grade series. This is question number 9. If you'd like to take a few minutes here to read and solve this problem on your own, now would be a good time to do that.
Let me try to figure this out.
All right, now that you've had some time to work this out, let's tackle it together to see how you did. The problem reads, Grandpa Mike travels to his cabin in northern Wisconsin every summer. His odometer currently reads 7,593 and 4/10 miles. If the odometer reads 9,085 and 67 miles when he gets there, how far was the drive? Now this problem is a pretty standard subtraction problem. We need to subtract the ending mileage from the beginning mileage, but the only catch is it deals with decimals, which means we have to make sure we line them up. So starting off, we're going to write 9,085 and 67 hundredths, and we're going to make sure we line up the next number with our decimals in the correct place. Notice now I'm going to fill this empty spot with a 0. Personal preference, it doesn't matter, you can leave it blank. Now all we do is drop our decimal down and we solve this like a regular subtraction problem. So we are going to get 7 here, we're going to get 2 here, we're going to get 2 here, and then we have to do quite a bit of borrowing. So we're going to borrow all the way over to the 9, which turns into an 8, which makes this turn into a 10. That 10 now turns into a 9, which makes this 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. And 8 minus 7 is 1. So the final answer for this problem is that Grandpa traveled a total of 1,492 miles and 27 hundredths.
Before we finish up with number 10, do me a favor and let me know down in the comments if you're finding this series helpful or if there's any changes you'd like to see. Now let's get after number 10.
Nice work with number 9. Now moving along to number 10, if you'd like to pause the screen here and try to read this and solve this on your own, now would be a good time to do so.
I wonder what the answer is. Let's go ahead and take a look.
Okay, now that you've had some time to work this one out on your own, let's try to tackle it together to see how our answers compare. The question reads, Brent is collecting hockey cards and just got 3 new packs for his birthday. Each pack has 13 cards. His card album has pages that hold 6 cards each. How many pages will he need for all of his cards? So this is a pretty standard 2-step word problem. It involves multiplication and division, but there's a little tweak at the end I want you to pay attention to. So the first thing we need to do is figure out how many cards did he get for his birthday. So if he got 3 packs and there's 13 in each pack, it's just a simple multiplication problem. The answer here for 13 times 3 is going to give us 39. So that's the total cards he got. But now I need to divide those cards by the amount of cards I can put on each page. So I can get 6 groups of 6 out of 39, which is going to equal 36. And we're going to do our subtraction here, and that's going to leave us with a remainder of 3. Those 3 are actually remaining cards. So a lot of kids are going to say they're done here, and the answer is 6 remainder 3. And you did beautiful division, everything is correct, but you didn't answer the question. The real answer to this question is going to be 7. And the reason for that is because of the word I'm going to underline over there in the problem right now. The word all. Every single one of his cards needed to be on a page. It is totally okay that that 7th page only has 3 cards on it. You have to make sure to read carefully.
Fantastic job today. You're making great progress. That wraps up today's lesson. Until next time, don't forget to find your Math Zen. Oh, and before I forget, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any more math help videos.